Boxed in, the same fade.
Yeah.
But you know how I like boxy? The round part of my head. Like,
You want to box it? Yes. Yep.
I like it boxy,
Yeah.
but dude, I need to like it's getting long, dude.
Yeah.
Like see how it's flowing backwards? Like it's getting that long.
So you want it like half off. But that's still pretty short.
That's Mark. Mark, should I take it shorter? Slap your backers. Yeah, I did. I was hammered. I was helping. I have a group chat with my stepdad and my uncle. We just talked this type out. I was in a group chat to our conversation like, this guy Mark.
It's not recording. Is it? Oh, damn. It is recording.
I'm not getting my hair in.
Alright, so bro, so how do you want the cut? Mark, help him. He doesn't know what to get. Dude, I think you should leave it like this in the front, but trim the top short.
Oh, like a pompadour?
Low key, yeah.
Bro, I could low-key wear my hair back.
Bro, it looks sick.
How would you style it to keep it like this, though? I don't put a ton of product in, huh?
You could do a paste. You could do hairspray. I can thin it out, so it's not.
Can I wear my hair back? Like, can I pull it off? Does it do it? It's working? Do it? I really care what these two say.
You wanted a female opinion, I get it.
Yeah.
No, it's it.
But
Third male opinion. Can I wear my hair backwards? Does it work?
Yeah, why not?
But my.
Dude, I trust the man with the mustache.
Okay. So do you know what you want now?
Way more than anything.
I feel like I'm gonna start having like a journal of like my status.
Pull the chair about here. Talk to me on my haircut. Just still Taylor's chair. She don't want.
I'm heating my food up.
So.
Bro, can we make it so I can rock it backwards?
Yeah. But do you want me to trim the top or leave it?
I was like, if I'm gonna rock it back, leave it.
I would leave it. Yeah, leave it.
Leave it and then leave the back too. Then just kind of clean it up on the neckline.
Yeah. I'll trim the bottom, like the edge, so it's not hanging
They're all
over.
getting detailed. I'm detailing myself in my car today. It's my once a week shower, so I'm
You missed it because you're looking this way, but there is a Prius that just pulled up, and I thought they were gonna like park in here, and I was like, that would be. I'm so.
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
Just up in front of that.
You're good. Cool.
So the same fade, and then just. I'll say, does it need to be heavier up here, or no? Low key. A little bit.
I don't know. I'll go. I'll check it out right now.
Can I pull it back, flick back? Does it actually work? Like in a weird way?
In a weird way.
like a Jeffrey Dahmer way. I'm not acting like I can hear that. The rat is back.
Have you ever thought about doing dreads? That would look hard.
I actually did back in the day.
That would look hard.
My mom had dread.
Dude,
When I had my long
I
hair,
think that'd be dope.
when I had my long hair, I had one hidden little dread.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah. slow. Cause my shit was wavy too.
You feel like where are you holding?
There was motion in the other one.
Oh my god.
See? Now I'm just bald.
I stopped you from trimming your hair. You were gonna trim it right now,
You did. That's why
and you were gonna regret it. It always happens all the time. Everybody.
I know. I was like, yeah, take it off. And you're like,
She didn't even do it. She thought about regretting the thought about cutting the hair. Like,
Bro, I remember when I had my long hair and the barber like nicked too much out, had to raise the fade too much. I was like, bro, just cut it all. He was like, bro, you serious? I'm like, yeah, I'm not paying for this shit, dude. I was so mad.
yeah, that's when I started to cut.
So I was going here for 2 years. And it was long.
that's a long time.
Yeah. And hurt my last feeling. I've been dead ever since.
Now you did.
4 more months, and then you can probably put it in a bun, dog. Your grows
I
fast.
know, but I want the sides to be even.
What do you mean even?
But I want the sides to grow out too.
Like daddy.
You have the same haircut, fool.
Two sides longer than 4 months.
The sides is gonna take you. You gotta start over.
What do you mean?
On the sides?
You can slowly start like lengthening it a bit and like putting it more.
Oh my god, bye! Lunch break? Toodles! Go to your studying. Yep. The phone stuff.
The phone training, I just did the one where it's like, we did 75% of the phone training. Are we back? Mike?
What's wrong? She's going for Taylor's job. She's in the academy.
Yeah, I'm doing right now.
Oh, there you go. Did you show him the job book? Yeah, what's that one? Was it like coming up the vent type thing?
I ran it over and
No, that was with Mark and that was for Mike's birthday. I didn't go, I was picking up blood. The 2-story club? Yeah. Park is technically 2 stories. You said what?
I'm sorry, I'm gonna get drunk tonight.
Tonight? Oh, because you're Post Malone. Oh, you're gonna have 2-day bender, huh? Oh, naughty boy. Huh? Where's Keenan? So he came here to use electricity? So he came here to use our electricity?
Fool, your hair's so long. Can't even see anymore.
Sorry, Daddy.
Can't see, bro. What the fuck?
I didn't see your fucking hard ass nipple right in front of me. Oh, titty, but
Oh, we gotta trim your hair.
what do you mean?
It gets in the way. You're crazy.
Not you crazy. I'm not supposed to tell her.
I heard so many different things from men and none of them were good.
About what?
Probably all of them.
What did you say?
John.
You're not need to really work.
Wow. The heater's hot? Alex, would you believe that, dude? The heater's hot? Holy shit. No way.
Damn.
Prove it.
She works here?
No, she's a student.
Oh.
So Keenan just shows up, uses like, oh, get some more, dude. She does have this wall, but I don't really get to pick and choose. Like, this is where I was pointing.
What the fish?
on my forehead right when you asked me that question.
I really pull up. Let me do your beard.
Yeah, I'll Steven.